Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Gonna take the love to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had.
I practice what I preach, but I ain't gonna last. Still got love for these streets, 305 till I die. Still got love for these beats, that's why I spit this fire. You can catch me on the beach, especially on the island.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Gonna take the